Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find your referral code in GoTyme. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, you might be wondering where you find GoTyme referral code. Now, in this case, this actually depends on the current season. So, GoTyme may sometimes provide you or give you access on giving out referral codes. Especially if they want to invite different users, the referral code will be available on your account here. But then again, this is a hit and miss. Sometimes they offer this, sometimes they not. But in this case, go ahead and first open up your GoTyme bank app. Now you want to log into your account. This is the main UI that you'll be seeing. So you want to click on your profile icon at the top left of your screen. Now in the next screen, what you need to do is you just need to scroll down a bit here, and you want to look for the option or something similar that says referral code or invite friends. Now, typically speaking, if you click on it, it should give you the option to copy your referral code and start sharing this to your friends or your family members. Now they could use that referral code for signing up or creating their GoTyme account or signing up for a GoTyme bank account. But typically speaking, again, like what I said before, this depends if GoTyme offers this. So sometimes they are offering it, sometimes they are not. So that's basically how you can find your referral code in GoTyme. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.